Are you okay? She's over here laughing.
She's crying already?
No, she's laughing.
You guys know, they were like just standing there inside. They're like, what do I do? They're recording.
I'm not. What the fuck makes you think I'm recording?
Get all of us out.
Dog, I thought you were watching. I thought you were watching up.
Let me pray.
Damn, look, Mexican style.
Catherine. Standing in there like, what's that? What's happening? I'll keep you on. Okay, you didn't come. Now we have to have no. Cheated on a test?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you mean it doesn't happen? You're making something stop. What? Here, do you want some
Don't sleep in
glass?
class?
Free.